Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's another Tip Tuesday. In the next series of posts, I'm going to be focusing on some of the features that are available in old Outlook, or what they're calling classic Outlook, and new Outlook, and why people aren't moving to the new Outlook. And I want to share with you why I'm not moving personally. Now, this is my junk mail folder, so there's nothing in here that's going to be proprietary or client focused, but I'm using this as an option. Here's one of my favorite features in Classic Outlook that's missing in the new Outlook, and one of the main reasons that I am not moving yet. The ability to be able to drag and drop from one area of Outlook into another area of Outlook has been missing. So in Classic Outlook, I could take an email and I could drag and drop it into a task, and it would convert it to a task and leave the body of the email in the task. Or I could drag and drop it to a contact. Now, why is that important to me? I meet a lot of people at conferences. They send me emails, and I need the context of how I met that person. So being able to drag and drop that onto a contact and it convert it to a contact and keep the email is very important to me. Now, they finally added the ability, I'm just going to move up here, to the calendar icon. So what did that do for me? It converted it into a meeting and invited everybody that was on the email trail and left the entire context of why we were meeting in the body of the meeting. That's really helpful. Now I can go and schedule that. So this is one of the main reasons that I really prefer Classic Outlook over New Outlook. Now, how do we let Microsoft know? If you go up to the upper right-hand corner where it says New Outlook, there's a toggle. And as of now, you can add feedback and send it to Microsoft. Now, I don't know how long we're going to be able to toggle back and forth before they take that away. But feedback to Microsoft, what made you switch back? The product teams pay attention to this, y'all. And we need to vote up the things that are causing us not to move to the new Outlook. Give us back our functionality. And so missing functionality, I'm going to put in, tell us why. I'm going to tell them exactly what's missing. Can we contact you? It's up to you whether you want them to reach out to you, yes or no, and collect logs. That's actually going to start recording something. So make sure that you're aware of what that means by reading the privacy statement. And then hit the submit button because that will light up. This is how we give feedback to Microsoft as to why we're not moving to the new Outlook. Stay tuned for the next few weeks because I'm going to cover a couple other ones as well, and even some workarounds. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. I'll be back next week with another great tip. In the meantime, check out these great events that we have coming up. Until next time, I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's my job to make your job easier.